Learn how to make the fluffiest pancake ever with this easy and quick recipe. Perfect for breakfast or brunch. These pancakes are light, soft, and incredibly delicious. This step-by-step guide will help you create a classic treat everyone will love. Don't forget to top them with syrup, fruit, or your favorite toppings for a perfect morning meal. Guys, let's get started with the recipes to make this delicious pancake. The first thing we need to do is sieve the measured flour. Okay, this is about 4 cups of flour, so I have measured it. Now I will go ahead and sieve it. The reason why you need to sieve your flour is because of the particles that are there. You may not even like it if you don't sieve it. Can you see this? This is not much, but some of them carry too much of dirt inside. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing now is to add salt. Then I'll go in with the sugar, baking powder. Then I will go in with my nutmeg. Okay, this is powder nutmeg. If you don't like to use nutmeg, you can use any other flavor or any flavor of your choice. Okay, so I'll go in with some milk. Then I'll go in with butter. The next thing I will do now is to mix this together. I will mix everything together thoroughly before adding the egg. Okay, so go ahead and mix it until all the ingredient is well combined, like you are seeing in the video. Add the egg and mix it together. If today is your first time of coming across my video, I welcome you to Benini's Kitchen. I would like you to be a part of this community. Please like my video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You can also check my videos, my other videos. I believe you will see something that you will love to make in your own home. Thank you so much. And to my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. I'm grateful. May God bless you abundantly. I have added water, so I'll just go ahead and mix this together. Though the first water I added is not enough, I'll keep adding until I get the texture that I am looking for. I want this pancake to be very fluffy, like light pancake. Okay, so I'll keep adding water until I get the right consistency I am looking for. So kindly stay tuned. Yeah, this is the consistency I am talking about. Can you see how light it is? Do you like your pancake so light like this, or you like it thick? But for my kids, they like it like that, like this. That is the reason why I'm making it this way. Maybe some other time I'll make it thick. So right now I'll just go ahead and put it in the pan. I've already added oil to the pan. It's hot, so I'll control the heat by reducing it. Then when this part is ready, I'll flip to the other side. Okay, this is what we have, and this is the type of pancake I am talking about. Very fluffy, light, and yummy. My kids love this pancake so much. This pancake is perfect for brunch. It is classic breakfast idea, best homemade pancake, an easy to make recipe. Very, very easy. Do you like your pancake? Do you like it thick or very light like mine? Are you going to be trying out my recipe? Kindly let me know in the comment section. I also want to know what you use as your pancake toppings. For me, I'm going to be using honey for this pancake toppings for my kids. And you can take pancake with tea. This is a nice breakfast idea. Okay, to make it very fun for my children, I have to use the honey to write their age on it. Okay, and also try out this method for your children. I believe they will love it also. I'm glad that you stayed till this time. May God continue to bless you. Okay, if you got value from this video, kindly like, comment and share to your family and friends, and also let me know where you are watching me from, so that in my next video I could send you some special hug. Okay, thank you so much.